So next lessons, Unit 3, World War II. Unit 3, World War II. The first one is the failure of the League of Nations and the Treaty of Versailles. The Treaty of Versailles in 1919 and the failure of the League of Nations. The treaty also set up in the League of Nations the initiative the President Woodrow Wilson's of the United States, United Nations, United States. The League was expected to mediate between the countries and take the actions against the countries which include in the military aggressions. So now I am going to take the topic of this, the post-war crisis and Germany. First one is, as mentioned above the three classes, of the Treaty of Versailles, especially the impositions of panel reparations caused the great discontent in Germany. After that, the problem is many countries faced in this. The problem of many countries faced on the post-war crisis, mainly for the three countries. The World War I in the three countries. One is Germany, another second one is Italy, third one is the France, Spain, Francisco. These are three importance. The post World War I decades. This the rise of the extreme right wing, the dictatorship in Italy, mainly the dictatorship in Italy, Mussolini, Germany, Hitler, and the Spain, Francisco. The Germany experienced the both high employment. Germany experienced both the high unemployment and severe inflation. The First World War times, the Germany lot of affected. The first one is the Treaty of Versailles. Another one is the important causes for the unemployment and severe inflations. After the First World War, this was blamed on the war. The post-war, the victorious nations, the Allied countries, his currency became the particularly worthless. Because the lot of people gathered the currency. The several pictures of in 1920, when the ordinary people had to carry the money in big barrows by bread. So in the pictures in 1920, lot of people carry the currency and going to buy the bread. So bread war. So bread. This was blamed to the war reparations. On the war, the reparations which Germany was forced to pay. So the Allied countries forced to pay the countries. So the analysis of the demand for war reparations were moderated over several rounds the negotiations. After that, the victorious nations and Germany, the lot of negotiations, and after that they reduced the the reparations, reduce the reparations. To force to pay the final salaries, demand for the reparations were moderated over the several round the reparations. So after that moderate, so reduce the demand for the reparations were moderated over the several round the reparations. Next one is next topic, the rise of the Adolf Hitler. Rise of the Adolf Hitler. The Hitler was able to exploit the generals' discontent among the Germans. So discontent among the Germany. So Asia put the gifted with the great archaeological skills. Asia நல்ல page scholars. So Asia archaeological skills. He was able to sway the people to be the impossible speeches. So attract the speech for the peoples. Attract the Hitler's speech is attract the German peoples. So lot of people joined in this the Nazis party. Founded the Nazis party. The promising a return to the glorious military post of Germany. So glory after that the Hitler joined in the military post. In the First World War, that was the first of Germany, the glorious military past of Germany. He founded the National Socialist Party. He founded the National Socialist Party. That means the Nazis party. Nazis. So Nazis party. After Nazis party, this fundamental platform on which Hitler built his support was the notions of the racial superiority of the German as a Europe. The fundamental platform on which Hitler built his support was the notions of the racial superiority of the German as a few, the Aryan race, and the deep seated on the against the Jews. Hitler came to the power in 1933 and ruled in Germany till 1945. So Hitler followed the racial discriminations. He is support to this the Nazis peoples, but he is against in these Jews, against the Jews, the Jews. The Hitler came to in power in 1933 and still in this the rule in Germany still in 1945. 1945. In direct contraventions of the classes of the Treaty of Versailles. So that mainly affected by the Germany in Treaty of Versailles. After that Hitler began to first one is the rearm Germany. First one is the rearm the Germany, rearrange the Germany, rearrange the army, rearrange the arm and the armies. Another one is the recruitment of the armament, and the mercenaries party, army, navy, and air force with a large amount was spent in the government, resulted in the economic development and also the employment problem also solved. in the economic revivals and solved the problem of unemployment. Problem of unemployment in Germany. So mainly the Treaty of Versailles against the Hitler, the increase in the army and the navy and the air force. So spent the lot of money. So increase the economic and also the increase the economic and also the solve the employment problems. Next one is the Italy break with Britain and France in the mainly for the Mussolini, the inventions of Ethiopia. So the Mussolini invention Ethiopia, the break of the relationship with the Britain and France. After that, the new alignment, the new relationship. After the better relationship between Italy and Germany. So the break the Britain and France. After that, the better relationship between the Germany and Italy. So in 1936, Germany invaded the Rhineland zones, which is supposed to be demilitarized zones. Is a demilitarized zones. After that, Asia, Rome, Berlin axis. The Rome-Berlin axis. After that, the Japan also joined. In these teams. For the Rome, Berlin, Tokyo. So Rome means the Italian capitals, Berlin's Germany capitals, Tokyo's Japanese capitals. In 1938, Hitler invaded Austria in Czechoslovakia in Sudetenland. In Czechoslovakia was German speaking. And the Hitler claimed was the German speaking peoples who be united as one nation. So in the topic, the Italy captured the Ethiopia. So the breakout of this France and England relationship. After the strong relationship of the Germany and Italy. The Germany captured in Rhineland in 1936. The newly forming Rome-Berlin axis. After that, Japan also joined in later is axis of the Rome-Berlin-Tokyo axis. In 1988, Hitler invaded the Austria in Czechoslovakia in Sudetenland. The Czechoslovakia was German speaking Asia. Hitler declared that the people should be united in the one nation. Thank you.